This is going to be part 2 of the construction of Texas Car Wash. All day long I've been watching people come in to get a car wash and the tunnel's closed because they are reconstructing it. So here's what it looks like now. New conveyor. It looks like these machines here scrub your rims. And you got more of them over here. Extra fans up there. This is what used to be the barber shop and waiting area. I believe that sink is the only thing left. No, that was added there too. Shelves. Bits, pieces. This part's still the same inside there, but that's all going to get shut down too. It's got one of these on the entrance and the exit. Looks like cameras. Chemical room. And these are the kiosks. Three lanes of them here. Oh yeah. I want to get a closer look over here. I'm guessing these are vacuum cleaners. Yeah, I guess it's a retention pond.